I'll show you another way to create your floor using this sole. Like if you have this sole from the market and you don't know what to do with it, I'll show you. This video will show you how to create your floor, not just any floor, but a classic one from this. First thing you need to do is just to get the sole, get the paper, trace the paper, trace the sole pattern on the paper. Just turn the paper, turn the sole on the paper and trace. Make sure you stabilize, then you cut, carefully cut, then pick up your pen, pick up the welt allowance from the sole and transfer it to the paper. Watch carefully, and if you're cutting, please make sure you cut on a straight line, on your tracing line. Okay, don't forget to do that. And please like this video, subscribe to this channel, ask questions. If you have comments, compliments, if you have corrections, drop them using the comment section. Okay, so you're transferring the welt allowance to the paper. Just trace round carefully. Make sure you don't shake your pen tip. Go gently, go 360, go 100%, you understand? So you cut on your tracing line. Don't forget you're cutting on your tracing line, and your cutting must be straight. Don't shake your hands. Make sure you control your scissors from your mind first before your hands. Okay, have a stable mind, then have a stable hand. Alright, so once you're done cutting, cross check to make sure that everything aligns. Okay, there's no space in between your paper pattern and the floor. Alright, so you can see we have a perfect floor pattern here. Alright, so we are transferring this to the fiber now. This is the fiber, so you trace both leg, left and right, on the fiber. Alright, using the paper pattern. So see how I trace, then you flip the paper and trace the second leg, which will give you the left and right. Please make sure you don't trace odd. Right, make sure you don't trace odd. To avoid that, make sure you always flip your paper pattern whenever you're tracing anything in shoemaking. Just always know that you need to flip to get your left and right, okay, leg. All right, so after doing that, you have to cut on a straight line. Make sure you have a smooth cutting. Like I said, control your mind and control your hands, right? So everything will come out neat. As a professional that you are, you need to have a straight cutting. Okay, so we're placing this on the faceless Maco. We're using Maco 4 here. This is Maco 4. So let's transfer or join the fiber and the Maco together using our gum. So you have to avoid wasting of gum, take the space measurement, then rub your gum. Now this is where I want to show you something new. If you don't want to waste your gum, just watch the way I rub my gum here. Just rub it around the tip of your fiber, not 100%. Just rub it around the tip of the fiber to just prevent wasting of gum. Don't rub it everywhere on the fiber, but when you come to the faceless, you can rub it all over the placing space. Okay, so once you do that, allow for drying, then you place gently, carefully, then apply pressure using your mallet. You can apply pressure, all right, or a hammer. This is a mallet I'm using to apply pressure now. So once you're done with that, you use your scissors to cut. Now the mistake some shoemakers do is that they get to cut slantly, using their scissors to cut slantly, which will definitely affect or create a space between the sole and the floor, which is not good. It will not give you good finishing. So if you're cutting, make sure you cut on a straight line. Okay, so after doing that, you have to join the two odds together so that you can blend it and have a smooth surface or smooth shape. Okay, so you rub your gum partly, then allow for drying partly also, and put them together. After then, you go for filing using the filing machine. So in the case where you don't have the filing machine, you can also use a hand scraper. So I have my filing machine, so I'm trying to scrape. So I'm trying to file to get a smooth edge right around my floor. So once I'm done with that, I just don't want to make my floor look so plain. Okay, so I try to apply just a form of design on it. So I'm trying to create the pattern. So this is the paper pattern I'm creating. So I'm tracing it on a thick material, the padding material I'm using here. So if you have the lightest faceless or lightest Maco 1 or 2, you can also use it if you want to add any design to your floor. Alright, so watch what I'm doing. So you cut again, cut gently. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. I'm sure you are enjoying this video, so also other people will love to watch and learn also. So make sure you like, so that YouTube algorithm can share it to other viewers like you. All right, and if you have a question you want to ask, please make sure you ask us your questions. If you have corrections you want to make, or if you have another method you want to teach us, we are all open to learning each day. We are learning from each other, so make sure you tell us. Don't hide your knowledge. Use the comment section to tell us whatever thing you want to correct or whatever thing you want to comment on this video. And also tell us where you're watching us from. Tell us which state, which country, which area you're watching us from. You can also feel free to join our membership. All right, using the join button. Just click on the join button and follow suit. Right, so I'm trying to wrap. So I'm trying to get the space at which I'll be placing my floor. All right, so trace it just to avoid gum wastage. Trace and apply your gum. Full surface application of gum now. So I'm doing that. Make sure you spray your gum evenly. You can see. Allow for drying. Then place carefully. Make sure you have a stable mind. Don't fear. Don't fear, and don't rush. Take it a step at a time. So make sure the leather material is placed smoothly. There's no rough surface, there's no squeeze surface. And apply pressure using your mallet. After that, you're cutting out. Cut out first. Right, watch. Using a sharp scissors you cut. Now if you're cutting, give an allowance, and give allowance of 2 centimeter round. Right, so once you have the allowance, watch. So you're still cutting. You can see our scissors and how we are holding the scissors. You don't slant or bend your scissors. Cut straight, stable hands, and a straight cutting. Right, so once you're done with that, make sure you bring out the shape of the design you put on the floor. All right, using your fingers, just press against the faceless so that you bring out the design. You can see the design I have, something like a U shape. Okay, so I have it. From there we are going to cover up. Just apply pressure, then we now cover up. Watch. You can now apply your gum. You can see I'm trying to bring out the shape still. It looks like a U or an O. So what shape do you think it is? Just tell me in the comment section, right? So apply pressure, then apply gum again. Now you're going to close up the fiber now and the faceless. That will give you the floor. Watch carefully. I'm sure you find this video interesting, so like this video, subscribe to our channel, drop a comment for us, tell us where you're watching us from. Also copy the link of this video and share on your social media platforms. You can follow us up on TikTok at ABC Shoes. Right, so apply gum, allow for drying, tail canal, close up, wrap it up, watch carefully. It's easy to do, yeah, it's very easy to do. I'm sure you learned something new today. How to manage your gum, how to rub your gum, how to apply design to your floor, how to wrap and all of that. That is what this video is teaching our viewers, especially beginners in the game of shoemaking, the craft of shoemaking. This is ABC Shoes. We are here to teach you everything you need to know about creating or crafting out a bespoke shoe for yourself, for your customers, your family members, and everybody around you that need a shoe. Of course, people need shoes everywhere around the world, so that is what we want to teach you. How to create shoe for yourself, market it, sell, and make some dollars. That is what we are out to do. So we love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is a channel you learn everything you need to know, where we don't hide knowledge. You can see our floor is ready, so the video on how to create the top, the link or the video will show up on the screen. Just click on it to take you to the next video on how to create the top and lacing of the shoe. Alright, so thanks for watching us today. God bless you. We love you. Jesus loves you too. Alright, click on it to watch the other video.